Hi everyone, and once again welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to block any website on your Google Chrome, and for the sake of this video I'm using the example of Twitter. So we're going to block Twitter on our Chrome browser. So the first thing that we need to do is to head over to our web browser, and the website that we're gonna where we're going to find this extension is called blocksite.co. blocksite.co. Okay, so once you have landed on the site, head over to Add to Chrome. This will take a little while. Okay, and here we go. So we've been redirected to the Google Store, Chrome Store, Web Store rather, and now we have to click on Add to Chrome, and we're being asked to add it as an extension, so we click on Add Extension. And the extension is being added to your Chrome browser. Okay, so as you can see here, it's already on at the top here. So it disappeared. So we'll come back to it later. So now we've been redirected to the thank you page, thanking you for installing the BlockSite extension. So click on I accept. Alright, so now we have been redirected to their landing page, asking us to consider choosing a paid plan. So we're not going to do that. So the next thing for us to do is to head over to the right side here and then click on skip, because we want to use it for free. Okay, so now we have landed on the BlockSite dashboard. So this is the place where everything is going to take place. So this is where we're going to add and regulate which website we want to be blocked and when we want them to be blocked, and also how to delete sites and many other cool features. So let's see what's been presented to us. So the first thing to do is to go over to the dialog box at the top here, where they ask us to enter the name of the URL of the website we want to block. Okay. So as I said earlier, you're going to use Twitter as the example. So I type in twitter.com. Okay, and then I head over to this little plus sign here and click on add. Okay, so now as you see, Twitter has been added to the blocked list, and I can also go ahead and add another website that I want to block. So for example, Instagram. Okay, and again we do the same thing. We click on the little plus sign on the right side. Okay, so now let's move on to the next thing. So this is a free version, so you can only add a total of 6 websites to the block list, and You cannot add more than that, because if you wish to add more websites than the 6, then you have to choose the paid options that we saw earlier on. So there's a good option on the right, on the top right section. This is a redirect button, so you can choose which website you want to be redirected if ever you land on this on the blocked page. So just click on the sign here and enter which website you want to be redirected on. Okay, this is essential, especially if you are working and busy, and you can easily get distracted. Okay, so it's you can enter redirect URL here to redirect you to something that is more positive, something more productive. All right. Okay, so we're gonna get out of there and see what else they have on this really cool extension. So you can also on the upper right hand side of this web page is that you can create a schedule. So you can go to schedule and decide when the site should be blocked or unblocked during the day. So this gives you a lot of control. Yeah, it gives you a lot of control. So you can set the schedule for to indicate what time of the day you want to unblock, or what time of the day you want to block the website. Okay, you can add intervals, and you can select the days and when we want this to happen, and then you can go ahead and click on yes and set the schedule. Okay, click on set schedule. Okay, so another interesting cool feature that I like about this extension is if you head over here to the left side of the dashboard is a password protection feature. Okay, so if you click on this password protection feature, this will again give you control over, especially if you have children, if you have minors, and you can use this feature to regulate and as to what websites they can gain access to when, and if you want to completely block them out of this particular website. Okay, so you can go ahead and choose the feature that you prefer here. There are 4 options here, so go ahead and do that. Okay, so also you can activate the feature that and so that the extension will give you an email alert if somebody try to uninstall this extension. Okay, so you have to set it up with your email, and you'll get this email alert immediately when somebody tries to meddle with things and delete or do anything on this platform. So you can unblock a site if you want to. Okay, so let's go back to block site. You can unblock a site whenever you want to. So in order to do that, you head over to the right side here and click on this red circle here, and select to unblock the website. Okay, and again you can do that to all the websites, or some particular websites that you want to unblock. Okay, so if you wish to say, for example, that this we've completely closed this web page here. Say, for example, if you want to access the dashboard again, so you have to go to the extension. So my extension is at the top, so I have to scroll down to find it. Okay, so head here and click on the extension, and you can click on the settings, and after clicking the setting, it will redirect you to the dashboard once again. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope it has been very informative and help you to block and unblock websites that you want to. So once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.